How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. Mark here. Today I'm in my Type R, but we're actually going to be working on the S2000 today. But before I start on that, I need to go grab some coffee because, as you can tell, I'm very tired right now. To be honest with you, like, I've actually been kind of lazy the past couple days. Lazy as in, like, I've just been resting. I've just been laying in bed, and I actually just needed that because I've been working so hard for so long, and this is actually the first time I ever had a break in such a long time. And I just wanted to utilize some days to just, for myself, as in, just relax and, to take care of myself and rest up, because I do also work out, so my body is kind of sore as well. So right now I'm actually going to go grab some coffee from McDonald's, because if you guys know me personally, my favorite coffee, because it's the cheapest, is a McDonald's iced hazelnut coffee. The reason why it's like a large is like $2, and if you get that every day for a week, let's say I work 5 days a week, I'm spending $10, $11, $12, compared to if I get a Starbucks, if I'm spending $5, $6 for a coffee every time, it adds up, So I'm gonna go grab that right now before we work on the car. But before we get this day started, if you guys are new to the channel, I hope that you guys can check it out. If you guys do like my video, subscribe down below. As well, if you end up liking this video, give it a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it. I'm very excited for what we are gonna do today, so I hope that you guys are too. But other than that, let's get this day started. Let's go. Visiting my boy Vaughn. Here's his F80. This dude spends more money on the F80 than me spending money buying my car. But goals, man. Sheesh. This carbon fiber exhaust too. Just dirty, because this guy never wants to wash his car. But sheesh, man. Goals. So finally got my iced coffee, and I swear McDonald's should really sponsor me, because as much as every Asian Subaru, STI, Honda Civic owners get boba, it's the same amount as I get my coffee. So I don't know, I think it's just an Asian thing. You get addicted to a drink, you just drink it all the time. It's crazy. All right, so I'm getting the iced coffee now and everything. I'm actually gonna start off the video for you guys. We're gonna be working on to the S2000. Like I said on the title, we're gonna be making this car a little bit more daily driver friendly, because there's so many flaws into this car. Like, it's not of the car, it's just as a driver wise if you drive it all the time. But we're gonna be trying to find a place to install a phone mount. I actually bought this phone mount, expensive ass phone mount that was supposed to be from my STI that I never installed. And I'm also gonna be trying to figure out where to put this cup holder, a foldable cup holder. There was no instructions online, so I'm gonna try to figure it out today. And that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing for the video. Because driving this car is fun, but if you can't even put your drink anywhere or your phone anywhere, it kind of makes it a little bit less fun. So I'm gonna try to change that today. Start off with the phone mount, I guess. Man, I actually haven't even been on the passenger side. Man, these Braum seats look so clean. So starting off, I'm gonna just, this is some look at this. That's how you know it's strong. I'll put this on my phone, and then I'm gonna try to figure out where's a good place I could put this on. As you can see, it's a clip. It's not just plastic. It's not cheap, to be honest with you. So it could hold up. It's just me trying to figure out where I can put it. So I'll show you guys where would be a good place for me to put this in this car. Moved into the driver's side, and there wasn't really much where I can find where to mount this thing until I found out that you can actually like open this up. So now this is really perfect. Like it's not covering the air vent. That's the only thing I always hated, was when it's covering the air vent, because it just feels like the phone would be hot or cold. But now, because it's outside of it, and literally it makes it so much easier. And then if I need to like charge my phone, you know, I'll just put it there, and it's not really in the way, because when I'm shifting gears, it's actually just like, you know, I still have clearance. So that's actually a plus. I did not have to feel like I wasted this thing, this mount. I'm kind of making it to good use, and I'm actually happy because it actually worked for this car. So perfect, you know, it's just covering, adjusting the climate, but I mean, who cares? So that's done. That's a plus. It wasn't a fail. Now it's to pretty much try to mount this thing on the side, aside from the side, but I gotta pretty much look at, because there wasn't even much videos on how to mount this thing. So I'm gonna try to do it myself and show you guys how I did it, and we'll do that right now. Opening this up, you can see like some rattling. The reason why it's because they gave you like 2 screws, which I really don't understand. It's just 2, but how it works is that it's gonna open up and it's gonna look like that. So I saw how they mount it here. I'm gonna just see how I could do it myself, but it looks like a cool concept. This was like $11 on eBay, and I highly recommend it, because for me, I would put my drink here in the middle of the thing, and it's the worst area possible, because one, your drink could be huge, and now you're like in the way when you're trying to shift gears, and I hate that. And here on the side, the car's not that big, so you could always just grab it from the side. Looking at what I had to go with, I tried to use these 2, and it didn't work, but I did notice that there was one in here that does. So I want to show you guys, if you did get it, all you have to do at this point is literally just put 1 screw on the top and screw it right there, and that's pretty much it. So I'm kind of glad that there was a screw. And I didn't really want to take this out, because you know how useful this could be if you need to put some stuff, because it's literally just like a thing where you could just put there, you know, like a piece of paper or a pen, or you know, your social security card. I'm just kidding, but I'd rather have this just to still have the OEM look for the S2000. Some people take it out, but I don't know, I like it with it better. Here's the final product. So you could open it, and it's pretty sturdy, to be honest with you. So hopefully my drink doesn't fall out, but I'm gonna go and test it out now. Here's my cockpit setup right now. Let me hop on. I still love that I could just put this here like that, way better. And seeing that my cup holders, it's kind of hard to see, but it's black. But I'm gonna put my drink here. It's actually not too bad. I mean, I guess I'll make it work. You could easily still grab it and take a sip, and then just put it back. There you go. I just hope it's stable, because if it falls when I turn, then I'm pretty much screwed. So we'll try it out. Actually, I'm gonna go test its durability, but so far it's actually looking a lot nicer. You get to drive around. I could just put my phone whenever I want, just leave it there, and just, if I have my drink, because I always hated putting my drink here in the middle, to be honest. Putting it here, look, I'll show you guys the description. When I put my drink here in the middle, right, it's right there. When I need to shift gears, my hand is literally over this, and how it's just so annoying, to be honest with you. So I'd rather just put it here on the side. Luckily this thing moves around, close it up like that. Bada bing, bada boom. And it's a pretty good install for today, making this car way more daily driver friendly, because to be honest, as S2000 owners, I'm sure these are two big things that pisses you guys off, because I swear to God, it does piss me off. And I'm just glad, like, now that since these two are done, I don't, you could barely see me, there you go, that these two are done, that I could just drive this car a lot more. What do you guys like better, the Type R or the S2000? And what would you even daily, the S2000 or the Type R? Comment down below. Since that's done, it actually looks a lot nicer too, as a cockpit wise. So my Type R is out there. I'm just gonna test it out while driving this car around, but that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. It's a very quick video. I've been wanting to do this also since I bought the S2000. It's just because I didn't even realize that these were problems for the S2000 until you buy an S2000. But I hope you guys can probably do it yourselves too, because I'd say it is pretty worth it. It makes our lives so much easier. But there's a lot of things that I want to do for this car still. As you can see from the back, I already got the hardtop. Just got to repaint that. It's gonna save that for another video. And what do we have here? I got some side skirts that's pretty much ready to be put onto this car. If you guys made it this far, I'll give you guys a sneak peek of pretty much what I'm gonna be doing next to the car. So stay tuned. If you guys did like this video, please support by liking this video as well as subscribing down below. I'd greatly appreciate it. We are almost at 1,200 subscribers. Crazy, 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 because last year we were just close to 1,000 and almost growing 200 subscribers in less than a month. I like this growth, and I hope that I can keep this momentum, and I could also persuade you guys to just, you know, do whatever you can for the car. It could be big or small. It's always, an installation is always an installation, so you can't really be mad at that. But that's it for the video, guys. This is A Marky Mark. I'll catch you guys in the next time.